Let's learn the ABC Phonics. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for glasses. H is for hand. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for key. L is for leaf. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for spoon. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.